Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we're back for another one, baby. Let's get it. What up, Sonny? How's it going? Oh, man. What a session yesterday, guys. We were on for 7 hours, guys. It was fucking wild. We had a good time, though. Oh. Tripping. Oh, man. Okay. All good. Yeah, yesterday was hella nice for me too, bro. I had a really good session. Definitely enjoyed that. What's going on here? This thing's like, can you guys see me okay? Can you hear me? What up, Tom? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all this stuff. Yesterday's trade, we took a buy on GJ, went into drawdown, took a second position here, ended up taking profit on both of these trades. Both of them went into profit, and then I actually took a sell on gold, got a quick little scalp on gold, and actually was trading, took a couple trades on indices in the morning since I was up there in New York, which was nice. Let me go ahead and remove this. You know how we do clean charts here. We start with fresh charts, top down analysis. Let's start on the weekly. All right, so we see the candle right now. Last week was bearish. This week we're bullish, and we're coming up to this level of support. So we're coming up to test this level right here. Right there. You know, it's going to be interesting to see what happens at this key level, if we're going to continue to break, or we're going to respect this and then move to the downside. You know, it's still early in the week, so a lot can happen. This could easily be just a wick to the upside before it continues to the downside. It looks like there is a little bit of support here, but this candle hasn't completed yet. We still got 3 days left on that, so we'll see how that that plays out, because we did get this heavy rejection last week, and you know, we have this wick down here to the downside, so maybe this is just the top wick before it moves to the downside. We got 3 days left. Let's look what the daily looks like. Daily, I mean, it looks like we have this nice little bullish movement to the upside. We do have market structure right here. It hasn't reached up to that point just yet. We have support right here around 149.38, 34, 35, around there. So it'd be an interesting level to pay attention to. If we can get this to break, you know, we have potential to move to the downside to the next level, right? But right now, as it looks like it, we're just moving up. This is a brand new day. The past 2 days has been bullish, so we'll see what happens. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's start to mark up some of these zones so we know what we're looking at. Right away, you know, we're looking at this top zone right there. We have this bottom zone down here. And we have price right here. It looks like it's been on a nice little bullish movement. And right from where price is at, we're looking at the next level of resistance and support, the most recent. And just go down to the 1 hour to kind of refine this a bit. Move this down a bit. Right, and I'm gonna move this up just a bit. Okay, look at the 30-minute. So looking at the 30-minute, we do have this clear level right here, and we have this level down here. But let's see, break into the upside. If we break to the upside right here, our next level is right here. We want to keep in mind this little wick right here because there could be some potential resistance. But let's go ahead and mark up these targets right here. We have a target right there. We have a target right there. And then breaking up above this, maybe like a target right here. It's a little choppy right here. And then a high level target right there. So we do have a nice 10 pips right there. Potentially, you know, if it has some volume, about 41 pips to the upside right there. Now if it breaks to the downside right here in this one, you know, we don't have a lot of room because there's another level right here and then another level right here. So I would probably move this down a bit and wait for a break of this price down here. Just because this is a little choppy right here. I wouldn't want to, there's too much indecision really in the price, so not worth the range. The first range that's worth it for us is going to be right here. To the downside, about 16 pips right there, first level, second level 24, then we got 32, 35. You know, we can go ahead and mark up some of these targets right here. Breaks to the downside, we got the first level there, got another level right there, another level right there. And these are a little close to each other, so we want to keep in mind it may be a quick move to the downside, about 55 pip potential to the downside. It looks like it's pulling up right now. And we may even want to oh yeah, that's fine. So this is the setup we have right now for DJ. Let me go ahead and write this up for you guys because I know that's what you guys like. So we have potential potential buys above 150, 433. And then we have potential sells below 150, 121. All right. So take a screenshot, write it down, take a picture, whatever you got to do, snip it. This is the setup we're looking at for GJ, and hopefully it plays out one way or the other here for us. Oh, you know what? Nice. Yeah, man, I had a really nice day yesterday for a fucking Monday. Man, it was nice. Hella nice for a Monday. Alright. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh, sorry guys, I'm just setting some stuff up here. Oops. Whoops. Whoopsie. Yo, is the quality on the video okay and the audio? Because it's like, I don't know, on my end it seems a little weird. Man, I don't know. I'm not trying to do another 7 hours. I usually just want to come in, get out for my London session. But hey, man, you never know. Like if it's in the cards, it's in the cards. You know, like yesterday I didn't even notice till like it was like almost 4 a.m. and then I was like, you know what, fuck it. Like I'm already on here. Like I had hedged one of my trades. I jumped in for a second position. And so I just went ahead and managed that live for you guys so you guys can see how it's done. And then by the time that trade was finishing out, it was like 5:30 already. New York, pre-New York was coming on. And yeah, so I was just like, fuck it, you know, like let me just go ahead and knock out New York with you guys. And yeah, I mean, we just stayed on. Hell of a trading session though. All right, guys. You guys want to see gold? Let me know if you guys want to see gold. Because I'll do gold if you guys want to see it. But if not, then I mean, you know. Yes, sir. All right. Let's do it then. Let's see gold. Clean the charts. You know how we do. Clean charts. No indicators, no nothing. Straight price action here. We're going to start top-down analysis on the weekly. So what do we see here? We see a nice little trend forming right here to the upside. It is looking bullish since the beginning of March, really. So the past couple of months, it has been moving towards the upside. But this is coming from a long trend of bearish, right? So we are kind of at a critical point right here, specifically because we have this level right here, this market structure. So we want to see what's going to happen here. It could respect this. This could be the break and retest before the continuation to the downside, or it could be breaking up and then retesting this as support to continue to the upside. So it is kind of at a very critical moment. And usually when it's at these little critical moments, we start to see market act a little funky because, you know, there's a lot of indecision until it does that break. Once it does that break one way or the other, it's a very clear movement, and then, you know, you'll see where it's going. So let's look at the daily. So daily, very, very similar structure here. You know, we got this level right here that it's looking like this was a support, came back down, broke through. Now it's either retesting here or breaking through. You know, this could be just a spike up through here. You got to understand this whole area is kind of like a zone. So we just want to keep watching this. But as far as the daily, yesterday we did end up closing bullish. I know it's a small candle. And the thing is, like, this candle is, the volume of this candle is smaller than the previous. And that doesn't give me a lot of confidence that it's going to continue to the upside. This could easily just be a little pullback before it continues to the downside, but it looks like it did form a little level of support right here, right on the daily. So this would be an interesting level to pay attention to, around 1776.30. All right, let's move it down to the 4 hour. Begin to put. You need to see the 5 minutes for gold. Yeah, I know. I do the top down because, you know, I think it's important for especially new traders to understand, you know, all the time frames. So I work it down from weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15, and, you know, we'll probably look at the 5. All right, so here we are on the 4 hour here, and I'm just going to mark up some of these zones that we see. Clear zones right here at the top, clear zones at the bottom. And this is just so we can understand where we are as far as price. and respecting different levels. It looks like it's been consolidating in this level right here, moving lower and lower. These wicks and very low volume in the bodies, it's pretty ugly, to be honest. Even though it's been pushing up right here, this is just ugly, really ugly. You really don't even want to trade that kind of, like, that's ugly. Let's look at the 1 hour just to kind of refine here. I'm gonna move this down a bit just to kind of catch this bottom portion. There we go. All right, move this up a bit here. All right. You know what? I'm gonna. So you see, price has kind of just been bouncing around in this area, right? So even with the 1 hour, you know, the last few hours, it's been a bullish movement, but it's basically just been correcting this little box. You see this, just down, up, down, up, down, up, right? So let's look at the 30-minute, and we want to identify the most recent level of resistance and support here. So we're looking at here, right around here, we have this level. Now this is actually a really nice level. If we can break above here, we have the potential to move up to the upside over here, about 100 and plus pips. We could probably potentially test this zone up here, right? And then the level to the downside, remember this level right here is in the 4 hour daily. Like, this is heavy support. So I think it's going to take a lot to break this, but breaking it, once we do break it, we have this level right here, support. Well, actually we have this level right here. See this level? Oh, if we break that, we can trade this range right here. This about 55 pips. I ain't mad at you. I'll take this for sure. For sure. That's level 1. Level 2 is right there for a potential of 90 pips, or to the upside. And the upside is really clear movement, right? We have this level right here, and then, you know, we'd probably want to see the 15-minute to see potential areas where we could, you know, maybe identify these wicks right here, like levels around here. You know, just to move targets on our way up. But it looks like on the 15-minute, it's already breaking the 30-minute. We got about 7 minutes left here. 15-minute did break, but it pulled back. We usually trade on the 30. So let's see what this 30-minute candle does. We got about 7 minutes left there. Let me go ahead and mark this up for you guys. I know that's what you guys want. Potential buys above 1782, 435. And then we got potential sells below 1780, 301. I know this is kind of a tight range, but you guys see this clear support right here, right? And yeah, once we break that, I mean, we got this nice little movement right here. Either way, I'll take either one of them. Take either one of them. Let's go. I'm still in trades for gold. You need to see the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes the candles did earlier. It was brutal. Yeah, I mean, I saw earlier the wicks. It looked just disgusting. Look at this. Yeah, just like, this is movement up, but these candles, like, ugh, look at this. This is disgusting. Like, yeah, but it's because I'm telling you right now, it's really getting ready for a move, you know? Like, there's gonna be some heavy movement, whether that's up or down, I don't know. Let's go ahead and check out the news to see what we got in store for us today. JPY BOJ press conference tentative. We don't know when that's going to come out, but that's an orange folder. We want to keep that in mind for GBP JPY. We got USD news coming out at 9 a.m. Canadian, no, don't worry about that. AUD, I'm not worried about that. So pretty much okay. Wednesday, yeah, pretty much good, except for this JPY, which, I mean, it's tentative, so I don't really know when it's going to come out. And then 9 a.m. for US dollar. Okay, let's look at the Chinese indicators, see where the strength is looking like right now. GBP has a little bit more than JPY. See what the losers are doing. They don't know what to do. It's 50% short. We've got about 4.5 minutes left here on the 30-minute candle. It looks like GBP JPY is heading back down. And yeah, we do have these little levels of support that is beginning to break, but the range isn't really worth it for us to try to take a trade there. We're better off trading once it breaks this level down here for a nice little range down here. So we're just being patient right now, guys, waiting for this thing to play out. Man, and this thing, what kind of sucks is that this is a big candle. So we would be looking at like a 30 pip stop. Yeah. Like a 30 pip stop, and then, you know, the first level here is 27 pips, so it's not even 1-to-1, to be honest. We could only hope that it's gonna go further. And we were yesterday trying to catch this gold, this particular gold trade we were trying to catch multiple times yesterday. It was crazy. It's all good though. We got about 3.5 minutes left, and we're watching this to see what it's looking like, and if we're going to take a trade, I'll let you guys know if we decide to jump into that. All right. Nice. The support resistance on gold were made at the end of the candles. I was watching it earlier. 5 minute. Somebody dropped 500 lots of something. Are you trading with your own account or funded accounts? It's my own account. I did the FTMO last year. I passed it like in 3 days. The first phase, like the first evaluation phase, it took like 12 days, and then the second phase took me like 3 days. But you gotta like trade for, I don't know, like 10 days or something. But I did it because I had made a video and I was like doing like a little challenge thing with the FTMO, just to show you know, that it can be done, trading for the funding thing. And I'll probably like do like a challenge thing where I start a new one of those funding accounts and then trade that live, so you guys can follow along. And if you guys want to you know, do one of those funding accounts for yourselves, you know. But I'm not doing that just yet. Right now I'm working on a challenge, taking $10 to 1,000. Oh, sorry. Anybody want to do a small trade now on GJ up to 150, 800? Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, well, we have a little bit of market structure right here, right? So, so you could probably, you know, there's 50 seconds left here, and it's kind of rejecting this area. I'd probably put the stops below here, about 16 pips. And take it down to, I mean, you could probably target this area. You know, the strategy that I work on is the breakout. Just gives me a higher probability. But you could get a better entry right here. This is like a 3.28 risk to reward, but this is a little bit more riskier just because we don't have clear bullish move, like confirmation. We do have this trend line, but I mean, it's just a trend line. Trend lines get broken all the time. Let's see. Anybody wants to do a spot trade? How much percentage of account you risk each trade? 1 to 3%. Usually 1% when it's slow. Damn, look at that. You would have gone straight into profit, guys. Back to gold. Gold. Oh, gold is breaking. Gold is breaking. Okay, it's pulling back just a bit here. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take this gold trade. I'm jumping in on gold right now, guys. We're risking about 30 pips. Risking about 30 pips. And then moving to the upside here. Your risk is 30 pips on gold, guys. If you're taking this trade, you don't have to. Do what you want. Right. I am in. I got in at my price at 17.8301. Better than I expected, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna watch this carefully, because if we start to break down into this back into this zone and we close back in here, then I'm gonna consider closing a portion of my trade, the risk that I have, and that's just how I would like to manage my risk on this particular trade. Let's see the trade here for, man, we should have got in down here, man, because it looks like it's going to be a nice setup, but there's no wick to the downside yet, so maybe it'll come back. Maybe it'll come back a bit. We'll see. We're still not in for GJ. We are in a trade. We're in an active trade right now for gold. A little bit of draw down here, about 7 pips. And, you know, all good. Where is... Man, this thing just keeps like rejecting on these wicks. Somebody try with me. My run around goal 1771 is still going. Holding it until 1795. Nice. Champ, yo, what's good, bro? So I have a buy stop on the red wick. Buys on Euro USD. Nice. We are down right now about 12 pips. 12 pips on gold. Down about 12 pips. And this thing is just completely disrespecting us. It's all good. Just gotta let it breathe a little bit. You know how gold is. He likes to play hard to get, you know. Come on, baby, let's go, let's go. All right. Guys, if you're just joining the stream, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. We are in an active trade with gold. We are waiting for a better setup here for GJ. We kind of missed that entry here, but there wasn't much confirmation. So honestly, like if we can get this to close above, I would take that trade. Yeah, we still got some time. It's a brand new candle. Brand new candle, guys. Brand new candle. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. What's your stop loss on what? Gold? Stop loss is below this wick right here. Look at your, pay attention to your brokers, guys. Your prices are different. Look at the 30-minute time frame. The previous candle, you see below that area, that's where you want your stops. My price is saying 1780.057, but pay attention to your broker, pay attention to your spreads. Like, the prices vary. Sunny Gold might go back up to 1781 before going up, or even go down to 1781 before going up. Can you check my Euro USD buy for tips and analysis? I bought at 120.655 to take profit at 128.1. Yeah, hang on a second. Damn, this fucking thing. Are you kidding me? You're just gonna do us dirty like that, gold, today? That's how you feeling today? Down 15 pips. It's like nothing, bro. Said nah. Hold on, I'll check the Euro USD here in a second, bro. Let me just pay attention to what this is doing. Crazy. Okay. Here it comes. Just gotta be a little patient with gold, you know. It likes to wick, it likes to spike. Ideally, what I would prefer to see here is that this candle, even if it closes bearish, I want it to close above this price point, right? If it closes back in this zone, I will consider closing a portion of my trade, even though we're in drawdown, just because the probability that it comes to hit the stop loss is a lot greater if it's closing here. This is how you manage your risk, and this is how you have smaller losses. You know, you want to lose small, win big, right? So we'll just keep monitoring that. GJ just only had the sunny confirmation. I would change take profit to 2080.09. Oh, you're talking about for Euro USD? Yo, Chimp, yesterday after you got off, somebody sent me a chart, bro, and let me see if I still have it. Yeah, look, as Forex Trade, they sent me the chart fine. So I don't know how you were sending it to me, but I don't know, yours don't work, and that his did work. So let's see, you said you were in a buy for Euro USD. You got in at 26.55. So let's see, you got in at 26.55 right here. This was your entry. I'm guessing, what did you get in on the 5 minute or something? Or you just got in right here because of the support. Looks like a double bottom right here. On the 30 minute, and you said you were going to 2817. 2817, 2817. I mean, yeah, that looks good. But I mean, really, I would probably move my take profit to around there. I mean, it looked like it already wicked it right there. But what was the high right there? 20, yeah. That would be my first take profit level. And then maybe I'd look at this level here. And then maybe this level. Because it looked like it touched it and pushed back from it. On the 1 hour. Yeah. You got this nice little double bottom. Like this would have been like my first take profit level, but really you know you could complete this move. You see this pattern, right? Like you see that, right? Morning, all. Morning, Ace Gaming. How you doing, brother? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Let's see what gold is doing here. Oh, damn it, gold. Why are you insisting on pushing down? All right. What is GJ doing? Ooh, look, GJ's coming back down on the 30, 15, 5. Looking a little bearish here. 3 minutes left. See if it respects this trend line here. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Damn, gold is just saying hell to the no. I don't even think it's going to give us a chance to manage our damn risk. See what the 15-minute look like. Damn it, son. And GJ's coming back down, testing this trend line. Gold is doing gold things. Look at it, look at it. It's gonna stop us out. Sheesh. That came in pips. It's probably gonna push it down though. It's probably just picking up some volume, to be honest. You know how gold be. Doing gold things. We're still in it. We're still watching. Look at this, Jesus. Not what we're looking for. Like literally matching the previous candle. Man, this thing is just not cooperating. DJ doing. They pushing down too. So we're down right now about 26 pips on gold. Man, this shit just got aggressive as hell. This, like, as soon as we jumped on, wasted no time. Let's see what we got here. Chips in this chart. I don't think that's gonna work, bro. It doesn't look right. Like, you gotta save it, bro, and then the snapshot. It's usually a number. You see the number, the sign at the end, and then PNG. See, yours doesn't even have a PNG. And it has a letter. Oh shit, it worked. Love it, gotta love it. Let's see. And gold is like fucking 4 pips away from hitting our stops here. We're down 25 pips. Like respecting this level of support, but trying to push down. GJ's pulling back up. If you're not in gold, don't get in yet, because this thing is about to hit stop. We're 27 pip. Like, like 2 pips away. Fucking gold, man. This is what gold loves to do. And it'll probably come and wick down to this area and then pull up. What you guys want to bet? I'm telling you. Roy Christopher says Bitcoin skyrocketing. I haven't even looked at it, bro. I invest in Bitcoin. I don't trade it. Chip, can you try one more time? Yeah, oh yeah. It did work. This was what, gold? Damn, but you took this trade like some consolidation here. You should have took this profit right here. You came into drawdown, consolidating, holding. How long have you been holding this trade, bro? I mean, shit, this is from here. Come on, gold. Lisa, what did I miss? Fucking gold being an asshole. You miss gold doing gold things. I love it. Look at it, man. Oh, I swear, dude. Like, gold. If you are an emotional trader, don't trade gold. Like, gold will have you on fucking pins and needles, man. Fuck gold. Over gold. Gold is building support. You should be fine. Yeah, it looks like it came to test this support. And this could just be picking up some liquidity, some volume before the continuation. I mean, what time is it? 1 a.m. We got about 40 minutes before London. Yay, the charts are working. Can I send you a GJ? What? Yeah, bro, send it. I'll check it out. It says 1781 to 1781.75. I'd say last chance to get in. Buy before you can leave station. Yep. I mean, that's basically where it's at right now. So I hope you're right, Sonny. This is on you if we hit stop loss. I'm just messing it. All right, Chip, send another chart. Let's see what you got. All right, man. What happened? We were doing so good. It was working, and now it's not working. What did you do different, bro? It's not. I don't know, man. I don't know. You only get one a day. I don't know, bro. I mean, I wish I could tell you what the hell, but sorry, buddy. I suggested the GJ trade up to 150. Hey, this one is not looking too hot right now, bro. Well, maybe it's testing. It's a nice entry if you want to take that gamble right there. But there's no, to me, there hasn't been confirmation, bullish confirmation. So although it looks like it's respecting this trend line, you know, we want to see some confirmation, bullish confirmation, or break of market structure, right? Like if we break this, that's the breakout strategy, or break and retest continuation. But either way, like, I mean, people do get in at this level, but I think it's a little bit more riskier, you know. I'd much rather see the break and then just get in over here with, you know, a smaller stop, you know, maybe like 10-15 pips or something. This will work. All right, let's see, champ. I think it's creating a solid resistance cells, maybe a play past closes below 150 on 1 hour. Talking about, oh, if it comes down to 150. Yeah, well, I have my, yeah, we have cells, potential cells to the downside over here. See? So, I have mine at 151 too, but, oh, fucking gold. Pushing down again, really, dude? Really, dude? Really? Come on, man. Nope. Wrong again, bro. That is why I was saying it yesterday about doing the trade. It's just a continuation to test the highs last week. Yeah. Try with the... Okay. Nope. Gold is just playing with our emotions, man. So if you're just joining the stream, guys, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am Lord Banks, your host. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you're new here, welcome to the show. Please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you're notified when I go live and when I'm dropping any new videos so you don't miss out on content. I know yesterday I forgot to send out the link when I went live on YouTube to my Telegram, and then there was like people messaging me like, I didn't even know you were trading yesterday, and I just see that you made results on Instagram, and I was like, ah man, my bad, y'all, my bad. And so my man Lord Banks, what's good? Welcome to the show. Welcome. We're here for another one. It's Tuesday. We had a phenomenal day yesterday, guys, and I plan to have a phenomenal week. I want to close out really strong this month. I already had record-breaking milestones hit on my birthday this month. April for me has historically been amazing every single year. So this year is going to be no different. I mean, I'm already on track for that. I just want to make sure I close out the month phenomenally. Hey, Chip, hit the save image, visit the page, and get the link there. Oh yeah, you're probably getting the link from right here. Right. Yeah, you're getting this link, bro. You need to click save image and then get this link. That's probably where you're taking a misstep. Nice. Gold is pulling back up finally. GJ is still chilling. Doing good, bro. Doing good, man. You know, trying to have a good trading session. Gold was toying with us for a little bit. Look how close we were here. Let's see. The low on this was 1780.186, and our stops are at 1780.057. Literally, I mean, pips away. Just a few pips away. It's pulling back up. We've got about a minute left, and this is awesome because what I wanted to see is a price to close above this area just to give me the indication that we're continuing to the upside. It's kind of toying around right here, so we'll see what happens. I need the letter behind it, bro. There's like a number or letter. Look, you see this snapshots? You gotta give me what's after snapshots. It's gonna be a number and then whatever that is behind it. Got about 45 seconds here on this 30-minute candle. It is about to be 1:30. Got about 30 minutes before London Open. We are in pre-London. Let's see what we're good on the news. Let's look at what the Chinese indicator says. GBP has some heavy strength. JPY has a little bit. Let's see what the losers are doing. They don't know what to do. 50% are short. All right. Got about 12 seconds left here. And I'm gonna go ahead and stay in my position here just because of what I'm seeing, the rejection on this support level. I'm hoping to see at the next candle some bullish momentum to the upside to push us back into profit here. So we'll see how that plays out. Go, maybe this works, champ. Let's see. There you go. All right. So it looks like GBP JPY, you're taking sells on GBP JPY. Is that right? I'm not sure what you look. I mean, I guess you're some levels of support, resistance, support and resistance, I guess. You're in drawdown right now. You're expecting this to come back down. You're waiting for a breakout. Oh, okay. So you got these zones marked up, like no trade zones. So either break out to the downside or above, I'm assuming, on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, that is kind of similar to what we have here. Here's the zone below or above. You know, we have potential buys, potential sells. We don't remember, you know, our job is not to predict price. Our job is to react to it. So we're letting price do its thing, and we're just going to react to it. Okay, so we got the new candle on gold here. It is pushing up, showing a little bullish movement, which is nice. Yeah, waiting for the breakout. Nice. What's up? So it's not looking bad. And okay here. All right, that looks good. Nice. Yeah, if we can just get gold just to pump up here and break this high, I'd feel a lot better about it. All right, getting some volume here. Come on, gold. Where's Steve at? Steve was on with me yesterday, like almost the entire time, bro. Like, we were on for 7 hours, bro. Like, it was ridiculous. I hadn't traded the New York session in a while, and I mean, I had a pretty good New York session, like trading session. You know, I trade other sessions too, guys. Like this, I do the London. But if I see something, you know, I trade, especially now that I'm calling the calls on my Telegram. If I see something, I'll call it out. Come on, gold. Give me some more volume, baby. Come on. Don't be like that. Push through. Push. How's GJ looking? Look kind of going around right there. Possible buy at what? For which one? This one? I mean, the buy's triggered on this already. That's why we're in it. GJ has possible buys above this level right here. Come on, gold. We also have to keep in mind, you know, it's the end of the month, and you know, sometimes we get a little choppy movement, low volume, misdirection, like and I think, yeah, we have at the end of the month here, yeah, we got FOMC coming up tomorrow. I think on, yeah, tomorrow is also a bank holiday for the yen, JPY, Japan. Advanced GDP comes out on Thursday. Yeah, and then Friday is not really much. So when we come back Monday the 3rd, it's a brand new month, baby. Brand new month. Come on, gold. Push up, baby. Push up. Biden is talking in the afternoon, so be careful. Oh. Yeah, usually I'm like done by 9-10 a.m. at the latest, and then I don't come back till like 6 o'clock, because you know volume just, it's not the same, kind of runs out. And damn, gold, what are you doing? Why you always gotta be complicated, man? Just, yeah. We just, oh shit, look, DJ breaking down to the downside. Ooh. Ooh. Man, I tried to take a nap earlier, man. Shit was not working, dude. Like laying down, I couldn't fall asleep, and watching The Office. Any of you guys watch The Office? Come on, gold. Play nice. Play nice. Got 75 on my mini account. Can I trade? Oh, nah, bro. I would not trade gold with $75. I would not. Definitely not. Like, I would recommend maybe bare minimum at least like 200. You know, usually I tell people 500, but like I can trade it with $100, but it's tough, bro. Because you know, gold, like, you gotta understand the way gold moves. Like, gold is notorious for huge liquidity grabs, spikes, and wicking, like just, and like false moves. Like usually the first move is a false move, and that's the liquidity grab, just stopping people out, changing people's bias, and then it fucking flies to the other side. But like you have to know that, like, I don't know, it's kind of something with experience, bro. Like you get to know how it moves, you know. I really want this shit just to fucking fly, bro. Like if this thing could just match this move, man, it would be a really nice trade. It's 100 pips right there. I've been trying to catch this move like since yesterday. And it's just been in this zone, man, ranging. Let's bust out, gold. Come on, show me what you got. You have to do 0.01 to 0.03. Yeah, but it's like even with the 0.01 and 0.03, like you need like a lot of like I think you need more wiggle room, you know. I wouldn't feel confident with $75 trading gold. Need a little bit more than that. Come on, gold. What is wrong with you? Who hurt you? DJ still pushing down. Oh. Let's get it, let's get it. What are you doing, gold? What are you doing? Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, gold. Stop playing with me. Yo, y'all seen that new Mortal Kombat movie? Any of you guys watch that? Alright guys, so if you're just joining the stream, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Please consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so you're notified when I go live or drop new videos. Also, I do have a link in my Telegram, or the link to my Telegram is in the description. The free Telegram, you can jump in there. I send out trade ideas, breakdowns, analysis, and just information to keep you guys updated. Also have the link to my Instagram on there if you guys want to follow me on there, where I provide updates and whatnot as well. Fucking gold, man, is just acting like a little punk. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Well. We got about 15 minutes left before London Open. Maybe we'll get some volume pumping in there to pump us up to the top. No, I heard mixed reviews on it. I saw it. I thought it was pretty good. I liked it. There's a little nostalgic, you know, because I mean I watched the original ones like back when it came out. My uncle got me into it because he's really big into like martial arts and like Bruce Lee and stuff like that. And whenever the second movie, the older one, the Mortal Kombat Annihilation, had came out, this was like when I was a kid. Like he took us to the theaters to watch it, but we had watched the original one first, and then we went to the theaters to watch the second one. And when this one came out, I was like, oh shit, like I definitely checked it out. I thought it was good. I liked it. Man, gold, come on, man. Don't do it. Don't do us like that. We've been having such a good time. Yesterday morning, and you just are like, no, not today. Crazy. So we are in an active trade, currently in drawdown about 20 pips on gold. You know, gold being gold. GJ moving down a bit. GJ hasn't activated, guys. Here's the setup right here, and we're waiting for this to give us an entry. It looks like, I mean, it's trending up here, but it's breaking down through here. You know, if we break this market structure here, the probability that it breaks down to trigger our sells is a lot higher. But if it does break above here, then we got a nice little buy to the upside. Yo, it's crazy, like, you know, I go live like all week, right? And like I still get, I don't understand, like I get messages on Instagram, and people are asking me like how can they follow my trades and stuff, and I'm like, dude, I go live. Like, it's everywhere I post that I go live Monday through Friday. And people still ask me, hey, when are you trading? And I'm like, dude, I go live Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, London session. Oh man. Gold, if you're gonna stop us out, just fuck it, do it already. Like, I'm tired of this shit. Just stop us out if you're gonna stop us out. Fuck it. I'll take a nap early. Fuck it. I had a hell of a day yesterday anyways. give a fuck. Stop me out. Sometimes you gotta talk to gold aggressively like that, you know what I'm saying? Because he likes that kind of talk, you know? I don't know about you guys, man, but I have a good time trading, and I talk to myself while I trade, and I talk to my trades while I trade. You know, I mean, I ain't got nothing else to do, so. Womp, womp, womp. Well, at least this wasn't engulfing this candle, still respecting this support. I'm not poking gold right now. No, bro, don't poke it, because it's close to my stop, so if you poke it, it might go down. Wait till it's up a little bit more. It doesn't know where it's going right now. It's like, oh, we're going up, just kidding. And back in this fucking range. Ah. It's all good, man. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Just be patient. We'll just keep on this, staying patient. And we'll get a payday. Put on gold. Gold grabs some GJPMS symptoms. Yeah, probably. But you know, that's what you get with pairs that have a lot of volatility, you know? They're toxic. They are toxic for sure. Well, sometimes I like it. I am sleepy, man. Oh man, look. Down 24 pips. 5 pips away. You gonna stop us out? What you gonna do? You gonna stop us out? Fuck it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, this motherfucker. Damn, what are you doing, gold? Shit. Look at it. Just fucking you're just a tease, man. You're a big ass fucking tease. Are you really tempting gold? Bro, I don't give a fuck, man. Sometimes you gotta get aggressive with it. Let it know who's boss. Let it know who's Lord Banks around here, baby. Give me my fucking money. God damn it. Well, GJ, you have like 75% of traders on YouTube trading it, so that's the problem. Just say Red Bull gives you wings. Yo, Navin, hi. Why you buy gold? I bought gold because I trade a breakout strategy. We broke out right here at the close of this candle. I bought it, and as soon as I bought it, it just fucking melted. Or I could just tell you, because I'm fucking insane like that, bro, and I buy gold when it's going down. Welcome to the show, bro. Oh my gosh, I have an idea. What's that, bro? Put wings on the candle and you might boost it. Right? How can we get gold to just fly? T-Ting said, did you get stopped? No, I haven't got stopped out. I mean, we're hella close. We're talking about like 5 pips. Not even, I mean, this is like 2 pips away, a pip and a half from being closed out. And it just keeps coming down, testing and pulling back up. I mean, it's respecting this support. So, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, here it comes. This might be the move where it stops us out. It's like right there. So close. What up, Steve? Welcome back. My alarm wasn't loud enough. It jumped up off the tweezer bars to continue. Let's see, if everybody on here traded GJ the same way, we might be able to get somewhere. Oh, there is the stop, I think. Yep. Boom. Gold stopped us out. Took a 29 pip stop on gold. And it's probably going to come down to this level. Probably. Fucking gold. And I'm gonna be so pissed if this thing turns around and bust up. Alright, so we took an L on gold. GJ still hasn't activated. What a fucking bitch, gold. Yesterday you were doing so good, and then today you just wanna be a little asshole. This is why you should be following risk management. You know, managing your trades, because you never know when that L is gonna come like that. Come on, baby. I just want to see if it's gonna pull back up. Maybe give us a second chance. Remember, I'll take if I take an L, I'll take another trade. If I take 2 L's, I'm done for the night. I don't mind giving the same setup a second chance. I don't like to change my bias, but I don't mind giving it a second chance. And we still got this setup, waiting for it to execute. Looks like GJ's pulling all the way back up. I mean, it's wicking. Wick. We got about 2 minutes before London Open. Gold is being a little punk. I think she got offended with all the aggressive language threw at her. It's all good. It's all good. Alright. I'm gonna be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get some water. All right, I'm back. What I miss? What I miss? What I miss? So we are officially in London Open. This candle closed bullish. We're still looking for the break of this market structure, so we're moving up that way. Look at fucking gold. You know what? You know what, gold? You are just much today. Look at this. You better not go up and take profits. Where? I swear. Wow. What a pain. What a pain in the ass gold is. Like, look at that. Literally just spiked me out. By an extra like 3.5 pips. What the move was. Going up. Oh shit, look. So we got GJ breaking. GJ is breaking. 15 minute. Got 10 minutes left on the 15-minute candle and about 24 minutes left on the 30-minute. We're gonna wait for the candle closure. We're not gonna be impulsive. We're gonna be patient because this could easily come back and close underneath, and we want it to close above. So I'm hoping maybe, see, what is this? About a 10 pip stomp. It's not bad. We'll see how it plays out. We got about 24 minutes left. 24 minutes left on that candle. And of course, gold is now fucking flying. What an asshole. Gold will. I'm still holding nice. Line third. Imagine gold being a bitch. Imagine. Yeah, I know it, dude. I mean, I know gold all too well. It is a bitch. Sometimes it's gonna be like that. I'm gonna delete gold like a deleted shitcoin. GJ though, yeah, GJ is almost ready. Let's wait for candle closure here. It's 23 minutes left. We still got a lot of time. What we don't want to happen is this thing to fucking find a lot of volume and just push really high, because then it doesn't make it worth it, and like the risk to reward would be way off. So if we could just keep it around here until the next candle, you know, close above right here, we could jump into this with a nice little 10 pip stop and ride that little breakout. Sonny says maybe 5-minute candle entry on GJ to my 15800. Yeah, I just I have better confirmation on the 30-minute candle closure, because I mean the 5-minute, look, it broke already, would have got in, and look, you would have been coming into drawdown, you know. So, you know, I don't know. I mean, you can be a gambler, guys, and jump in right now. You know, maybe put stops below here, jump in right now with the hopes that it breaks, you know. And if it plays out in your favor, you just get a better entry. But you know, I like to play on the side of probability, and you know, this is my strategy. So my strategy says we wait for this 30-minute. Got 22 minutes left. I mean, for next candle in 3 minutes. Oh, you mean the next one on the 5? Yeah, I mean, good. But I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute. Whatever it deals me, that's what it'll be. Gold still being a bitch. Jay Patel said GA looks cleaner than GJ. I haven't really traded GA in a while. Oh, I see what you mean right away. Right here, breaking out, we got level right here, boom, and breaking above this level here, you got another level there, boom. Yeah, you got a potential trade right here. If it closes above, it stops below here, and boom, a nice little setup. If it closes above here, right? Obviously your take profit one would probably put it, I mean, you could see the thing with GA, it is a little volatile, so I don't necessarily do the below the previous wick, you know. I think that would be a little bit too tight of a stop, but hey, if that's what you want to trade it, bro. Look at this. See, this is why we wait for candle closures. You know, you would have got in right here thinking, oh, you're good, man. Drawdown. It stops. You know, and this is a good thing. It's coming down a little bit because it's creating that bottom wick as well. Damn it. Guys, if you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. We took an L here on gold, stopped us out. I mean, it's pushing up now, but it did stop us out. About a 29 pip stop loss there on the trade that we executed on the breakout. Currently, we're waiting on GJ. We have this setup right here. Remember, if we take two L's, we're done for the day. We can give gold a second chance, or we can take a trade here on GJ. If it executes, we're waiting for this to trigger. We're waiting for a bullish movement up here to break above, close above on the 30-minute, so we can take that. And that's currently where we're at. And this is a setup right here if you want to take down that information. The numbers here, and remember, the numbers is really irrelevant. It depends on your broker. The prices will vary, spreads and all that. So, you know, I'm on the 30-minute. Just pay attention to the setup here, where the areas are at. If you look at your chart for your broker on the 30-minute, you can set it up similar to this. But if you are new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live and when I'm dropping new videos. That way you don't miss a live stream. Also, I do have a Telegram link in the description where I provide trade ideas, analysis, breakdowns, and update information. So make sure you're plugging in. LeBron James, I just thought of that. LeBron James, you know that video of that little kid. Gotta stay hydrated. What? Oh no, that's sir. Yes, sir. DJ has been horrendous to trade with that day candles ranging like crazy all April. Yeah, man, it is like, I mean, there's little opportunities here and there with GJ. Especially, I think like if you're new here, especially the people that are here that are not consistent and not profitable and looking for some kind of, you know, path to go down to, you know, establish themselves, become profitable and consistent, I really highly recommend you guys stick to this breakout strategy. And, you know, regardless of this potential, just look to take 10 pips. You know, I call it my 10 pip a day strategy. Come in here, take a trade, take the 10 pips and be done. Just one trade a day, take 10 pips, win it, and get out. Because a couple of things are going to happen with this is by doing so, consistently coming in and just taking one trade, winning one trade, taking 10 pips, winning the 10 pips, it's going to rewire your psyche, right? Your psychology. So then you instead of being in the mindset that you've been in of losing and not consistent and not profitable, it changes all that to establish your consistency, establish profitability, establish a winning mindset, and that kind of rewrites the way you start looking at the charts, because you're losing because you've been losing and all you want to do is win. And when you look at the charts, you start connecting dots that are not there, and you don't look at it from a perspective of what price action is telling you. You look at it from a perspective of what you actually want to see, right? It's kind of like that whole the mechanics of, like, you know, when people make assumptions before knowing a full story, and they make this whole like grand story or illusion of whatever a situation may be, and they're way off, right? That's what you're doing to yourself when you're consistently losing and trying to find wins. So what I recommend to be able to rewire that is follow the 10 pip a day strategy. Trade the breakout strategy, which is the same strategy that we do here in the live every single time, but just take 10 pips. Take the 10 pips, get out, and you just do one trade a day. Come back the next day, take another 10 pips, take another 10 pips. And I recommend you do that for at least 10 trading days. Okay, if you can master 10 trading days and come in and take one trade for 10 pips and just do one session, one pair, everything the same, make sure you're documenting. Do that for 10 days to rewire your psyche, change your psychology, change your mindset to a winning mindset, and then it'll allow you to be able to do different strategies, different things with when you're trading, right? It's a huge game changer. You may not think how much of an impact it actually has, but I'm telling you, I'm sure if you've been in this industry or around trading for a while, I'm sure you've heard multiple times how psychology is, 80% of trading, right? Like anyone can come in here and look at the chart and be like, okay, price is here to here, it's increased, right? From here to here, it's gone down. Like, it's very simple, but the thing is that our psychology complicates things. So I highly recommend you stick to that 10 pip a day strategy, and don't doubt 10 pips a day, man. Like 10 pips a day, you compound an account, you keep growing that. If you have a nice account, 10 pips a day will pay bills, okay? And the plan is to get you guys paid, right? With the 10 pip a day strategy, you'll become a winner, you'll be consistent, you'll be profitable, you'll be getting paid, and you can make withdrawals. With all those like in line, it will completely rewire your psychology, and you'll stop looking at the charts in a way where you're forcing something to like come at you, like you're connecting the dots and seeing something, a setup or a pattern or a signal or whatever, and you'll begin to recognize the charts for what they are, for what the price action is, for what it actually is giving you. And that'll help you, develop new strategies, trade other pairs, trade other sessions, and then you can start to master other things. But number one, if you're not consistent and you're not profitable, you need to stick to that one strategy, master that one thing, that one way to do things. 10 pips a day, use this breakout strategy. It's very simple, and that will literally change and rewire your entire psychology in 10 trading days. I guarantee you, it's what you need. Trust me. You should whoop GJ. Oh man, I wish this fucking thing is... Look at that, just spiked up, pulled back. Got about 10 minutes left on the candle. Can you imagine we would have gotten the 15 minute? Oh, would have been in drawdown. 5 minute, same shit. Like, man. This is why I do 30 minute and I wait. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Gold, fucking gold. Fuck you. Fuck gold. Steven, it's easy to make yourself believe something you want to be true. One plan, one focus works. Talk yourself through reasoning. Yes, sir. You know it, bro. I mean, Steve, we were talking about this yesterday. Steve's been on here for a few weeks now, and he's seen a complete game changer for him and his trading, which is awesome. Like, I love hearing that. I love hearing that, because that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, to give you guys that education, that value, my experience. I don't need to be here to do my thing in trading. I already know how to trade. I don't have to be live. Like, I like to be live because I like to help other people, and I like the company, like trading London session late at night, like it gets boring. I mean, trading alone is boring. I mean, I keep myself entertained and I talk to myself, and my trades, but I have a lot more fun with you guys, and at the same time, like, I want to make sure I'm giving you guys something of value, giving you guys something that's tangible, that you can implement into your stuff and your trading plan, your trading style, and take it and run with it, man. I mean, nobody owns this shit. Like, whatever you see here that works for you, take it, tweak it to how you want to use it, and make it your own, man. Like, I'm not, none of this is proprietary to me or whatever. Like, everything here that I'm giving out to you guys is free knowledge, free game, man. Like, pick it up if you want to pick it up. If you don't, that's fine. You guys make the decision whether or not you want to show up or not, interact with me, come and join me on my stream. I'm not forcing anyone to be here. I think it's super important though, because I mean, I'm sure most of you guys that are here are looking for that, are looking for some consistency, are looking to be profitable. Just like that, just like to the moon chart, right? Yeah. Where is it at? Oh, I don't think I have it anymore. Oh. Look at gold, man. You're so fucking annoying. So annoying, gold. Ugh. She's annoying, but I like her. Yeah, man, don't underestimate 10 pips a day, guys. Like, it's so big, so big. And the problem is that most people underestimate 10 pips a day because they come in here with you know, $100 account and want to make fucking thousands tomorrow. You want to become a millionaire tomorrow. That's not the way this game goes, man. If you come into this game focused on the money, you will never attain it. I guarantee you that. But if you come in here focused on the skill and progress and improving and mastering the craft, the byproduct is money. Like, the money will come, but you got to focus on the skill. And I know that it can be difficult, especially with people that if they're facing challenges, if you know, oh, I got to make this money, you know, I got to pay money, I got bills, bro, everybody got sad. You know what I'm saying? Like you're not special. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, but I'm late on this, I'm behind on this, and I gotta pay. I get it, dude. I get it. Like, everyone has their own shit. Like, you know, everyone has their own shit. But the thing is you can't let that shit leak into your journey on mastering this skill, because this skill is all you need to make how much ever for how long ever you want in the future. Like, but you have to master it first. You know what I'm saying? Focus on the skill. The byproduct is the money. So focus on the money. Focus on being able to come in consistently, show up same times, trade the same pairs, trade the same sessions, trade the same strategy. Master that first. If you can master one of those, that right there, you can consistently do all the time, and then maybe look at a different session, look at a different pair, look at a different strategy, back test some stuff. Like, then you can do those things, because once you rewire your mind, then you can clearly see those other things, you know? Like, you're jumping around trying to fucking find a winning strategy, trying to find a pair that moves to your liking, and that's why you're inconsistent. Because the market, like the trading is like a scientific experiment, and the market is the variable. You got to be the constant. You can't be all over the fucking place if the market's the one that's going to be all over the place. Remember, nobody knows where price is going. All we can do is, you know, theorize and guess and predict and stuff. But remember, like, our job is not to predict price, it's to react to it. You know, we're reacting to price and what gives us the highest probability. That's it. That's the whole fucking secret. There's no, you know, there's nothing special about it, you know? GJ looks like Godzilla walking the LA in earthquake. Walking in an earthquake. Just moving up and down, or what? Yeah, man, and it's just I don't know, man. It could be this, you know, this tentative bullshit thing. Oh, did it? No. It says 1:30 press conference, but GBP today, all OPEC meetings. Red folder for that. USD at 9 a.m. See what the Chinese indicator has to say. Man, look at that. Nothing. Like, just really shitty market day, really. 51% short. This should probably consolidate for some time, to be honest. Walking through Los Angeles during an earthquake. Yeah, it's just, but I mean, it is slowly trending up. This is some market structure that it's trending up, right? But we need that next high. Like, we need that next high to break up above here so we can execute our setup. Fucking gold. Fuck you, gold. What's happening with crypto? I picked up some more things during this dip, but I'm buying with investor mentality, so I'm real happy. Yeah, man. Crypto, I invest in Bitcoin and XRP. That's it. I don't pay attention to any other cryptos, and I don't trade it. I just invest in it, and I don't even like. I just have price trigger alerts for when dips happen, and I just buy it. You know, I don't even want to look at the price, because start getting emotional about shit, and start counting your chickens before they hatch, and I don't even want to do that. I'm just gonna keep holding. I'm holding long term. I don't think it's anywhere near where I expect it to be, or I would like it to be, and I'm just gonna keep buying the dips. Let it play out. Got a quick 10 pips on EN. I'm done for today. Stops at break even, runners to do the heavy lifting. Nice, good shit, bro. See, there you go. 10 pips a day. Leave a runner. You're good. You're a winner. You won today. Congratulations. EN. What is that? Euro NZD. Euro NZD, man. I don't even have that on here. I haven't looked at Euro NZD. I don't even remember last time I looked at that. All right. Yeah, man, I got this like pain in my fucking shoulder, man. I think I need a new fucking chair. Like, I don't know. Yeah, guys. So right now we're still waiting to execute a trade here for GJ. It is playing around right now. Looks like it's pushing down a bit. We were hoping for that buy, but I mean, if it comes down for a sell, we'll sell it. Gold stopped us out and then pushed up, and look, it's pushing down again. It's just a shitty day in the markets, to be honest, because when the volume was should have been there, it's not really doing much. Doing what it should be doing. Yeah, man, gold has just been like on some crazy consolidation, just a huge range since like the beginning of the week. Well, since like the end of last week, really. See this right here, since the 23rd. Just been in this huge box right here. See that? But the thing is, this is after every phase, like consolidation phase like this, there's going to be a heavy push. Now, whether that's to the downside or to the upside, I mean, who knows? We don't know that, but it will push eventually. I'm hoping for this correction of this move right here. It would be nice, because this is some heavy support. It's like weekly, daily, 4-hour, like everything right here. So I'm hoping that it will push up here to test this zone up here before it comes down, but you never know. Uh-oh, DJ's coming down. DJ's coming down. Still waiting on this. No, here's the setup for the GJ. Got about an hour left on the stream. 26 minutes left here on this 30-minute candle. We're just kind of in this range here, and just being patient, guys. Just being patient. There's such a nice sell if it breaks support on GJ right here. What are you talking about right here? I didn't like this range from here. This is only 9 pips. And the thing is, it's 9 pips, but you have to wait for the candle closure with the spreads. By the time you get it, I mean, maybe you got 4 or 5 pips out of it, and that's not really worth it to me, you know? What is hour and a half, 4 hour? Old sell. Yeah, it looks like it's breaking. I mean, it had already come down on that, breaking this level of support. And there's a nice range right here. About 22 pips. But I would wait for candle closure, and I mean, I'm not gonna take this trade personally, but yeah, you could, because I've already taken the buys, and if I take another gold trade is to give it a second chance on my initial setup. So I'm not gonna take this sell. But you totally can if you want. I mean, this was the original setup here. If we close this on this 30-minute candle, 22 minutes, potentially just sell it if you want. Trying to see what's up with GJ. GJ playing too. Ooh. Ooh. Don't sell yet. See, we got a chart here from Chimp. See what this chart says. All right. It says gold on the 30-minute. Oh, okay, you got a little. I'm assuming this is like an order block here. Got this range support here, above here, buys. Yeah, I mean to get this area. Yep. I mean this. Yeah, like this is the same markup that I had, because really I see this potentially dipping into here, wicking in here for the liquidity that it needs before it pushes up. That white block is for when it breaks. Yeah, so like, and this is just the thing about gold, and this is because I know gold. Watch. So gold has this push up, right? Now every push up is gonna have a pullback, and usually what gold likes to do is grab liquidity. So we see this push down here, and this is the bottom wick here. And usually most people, when they take a trade on gold, they'll put their stops below the low wick, like the last wick, right? I mean, obviously I didn't put it below this wick because we had traded over here before, and we put it below here. But here's the thing. When you have this last wick right here, usually there's to the left, it's hitting some kind of candle. So what you want to focus on is underneath that, the last candle that hasn't been touched by the wick, right? Which is, we're touching these two candles, right? And some of this candle. So we want to focus on this area right here. This area right here is an area where gold is more than likely to push up like this and then come down, wick into this area to stop out all these orders, right? These buy orders, to pick up the liquidity before it has its continuation move to the upside. Okay, so that's why you see gold moving down like this, and the likelihood that it comes into this area, what you want to see is it come in here, like push down into it with a candle in here, reject with a wick, have a bullish confirmation candle for you to be like, okay, it came in here, grab the liquidity, now it's pushing up, now you can get in for a buy. So and that's just something that I know how, because of gold, like, and you know, people will reason with it a different way or whatever, but that's why I had put this line right here, because I knew below this, like I wanted to see anything coming into here and then giving me some kind of price action trigger to buy it, to jump back in for a buy to continue to the upside. But that, I'm just like illustrating with the drawings and stuff so you guys can visually see what I'm talking about. But I don't usually put these on here because I don't like a lot of shit on here. This is already a lot, like all these things, and I put them out so you guys can see. But usually I don't even use that. Usually I just use this yellow, and because with the yellow lines, like I'll come in here and add an alert, and then I'll go about my business until I hear the alert. Just waiting, guys. Waiting. Patience, game. Patience. Ooh. 243. And that's why, like, look, even with that order here, you know, if you were to take that sell here, 20 pips, you can easily come close 10 pips and get out before that bigger move happens. You know, GJ pulling up on the 15, 30 as well. Come on. Need this thing to push up. Really would like this buy. I mean, either way, the sell would be nice too, but you know, the trend looks like bullish, and we tested this area. Maybe we come up to test this area. Who knows? Remember, our job as traders is not to predict price, to react to it. Look at gold. Watch that move play out with the wick and push up. I'm telling you. Oh gosh, okay. Where we at? Y'all? Where we at? These pairs are really annoying me. Yes, gold, baby, let's go. Yeah, you see, I mean, you could have got this little sell here. Got about 11 minutes left. Let's see what happens right here. That block is right here. Is pushing back up. I wonder if probably even fib setup. Yeah, look at this. The fib setup literally in that, and it's beginning to wick a bit in there. Gold sometimes though doesn't really like to respect the fib, like the fib setup. This is just an extra like confirmation. Like I wouldn't go based on this alone, you know. Oh, this thing just totally. Look at it. I'm all the way down now. Wonder if it's gonna respect this area. DJ pumping up. It's 7 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. Watch it pull back with a wick. Got about 6 minutes left. Alright, games morning. I hope you're doing good. Doing good, bro. Chip, I'm so happy now. Went well. Nice. Yeah. You know, you could have taken a little trade here, executed, made some profits. Got about 6 minutes left on the 30-minute. Uh-oh. Look at DJ back up at this level. About 5 minutes left on this candle. Probably don't want it to be this candle just because it's like a really big candle. And our stops are going to be pretty big. Well, it's like 22 pips. It's not bad. But hopefully it's the next candle so we can have a smaller, more manageable stop. So it doesn't kill our risk to reward ratio. Got about 3.5 minutes left here. Okay, so it's DJ's breaking above now. Moving really slow, man. I don't like the way this market is moving at all. Got about 2.5 minutes. Pulling back underneath. Being patient, guys. Being patient. Got about a minute and a half. Oh, got about 30 seconds left here, and it's pulling back underneath. This is why you got to be patient and wait for candle close. Candle closures. Wait, you got to wait for the candle closures. Being patient, being patient. Okay, candle is closing here. It was like really, literally on the line. I'm still not in this. Maybe this gives us a better stop. Establish a wick to the downside. Game time decisions. Yeah, so I'm not jumping in just yet because it held this level of resistance. It's creating the bottom wick where we can now have a better stop loss here, and hopefully this candle closes, breaking it, and then we can get that entry. Hopefully it's not a candle that just fucking flies, but we shall see. Give it some time, let it play around. See, if you would have got in, you'd have been in drawdown. Great drawdown. You know, this is why you gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Got about 28 minutes left on the stream, 28 minutes left on this candle. We might enter on this candle when it closes. Depends, we'll see how it closes. About 27 minutes left. Your elevator music puts me to sleep. So I just don't want like dead space, you know, so this is like some chill lo-fi music, like no copyright type shit that I found on YouTube. Alright, so it's breaking now above. So we would put our stops below here. We still got about 26 and a half minutes. I'm tired too. Now we can look for buy on gold. Let's see, what is gold doing? So no, look, it's kind of breaking right here. I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Because if it's breaking here and not respecting this area, like if we can create that little support right here, that would be nice. But if it breaks, you know, come down to this level. Just be patient. Gonna fake in that area. Yeah, I mean, I think so too, bro. I think it's gonna be a wick and then it's gonna pull up, but we still got a lot of time, so just be patient. Patient. Remember, patience pays. Patience pays. Name of the game. Turn the wick a bit. We got about 24 minutes left. Okay, so now this is a nice candle right here. We still got 23 minutes left on this candle. Hopefully it just establishes a wick to the upside and doesn't fucking fly. And it would ruin our risk to reward. Got about 23 minutes left here. Gold still doing bullshit. Got about 21 minutes left. About 20 minutes left. Thing is just breaking down through here. Giving no fucks. Literally from the buys just came back down because it's still ranging here. Nineteen minutes left. Damn, look at this. Alright, we got about 17 minutes left here. Come on, baby. Yeah, this thing is pushing down. Pushing back down now. Gold is still down. Completely disrespecting all these levels. Looks like it's coming down. Got about 13 minutes left. This thing is... See that? This is why we wait for candle closures. Gold still tripping. you consider the first trade loss in gold was due to FOMO? No. I mean, I was following my strategy, bro. I mean, we broke out here. The probability was in my favor, but gold just pushed down. It wasn't FOMO. I was following my trading plan. I was patient and closed. I waited. I jumped in, and it just didn't play out. And that's part of the game, man. I mean, you're not gonna win every single trade. You're gonna have ones that hit your stops, because you know, like I said, this is a game of probability. My strategy is to trade with probability in our favor, but there's going to be a trade every now and then that hits your stop, and that's just what it is, because that's how it is. I mean, like we've been on a winning streak. We had, like, you know, we've been trading, and you know, you can hit massive winning streaks, but you'll come to a point where you're gonna take an L, and it's not. I mean, looking at gold, I followed everything how I usually follow. I mean, I set up my plan exactly how I wanted, and it broke out right here. Broke out. I entered the trade, put my stops, and I targeted, and it just fell, just completely collapsed. But look at this. Look at this right here. What did I tell you guys? This fucking wick. Ridiculous. 8 minutes left. Watch this fucking pull up. Fucking gold. Fuck you, gold. Look at that. I don't even want to look at it. And this is pushing down. Thank God we didn't enter here. You know, we're patient. Because look, you would have gone into 5-6 pips profit, right? And been in drawdown. So I executed my trade to the T. The problem is that right now, the way the market is and gold is, like, came down, did this liquidity grab. Look at this massive fucking wick. Watch this fucking close bullish. I'll be fucking pissed. Let me see if I can. Look at it. Oh man, I don't know where the fuck that. Anyways, you know, we had identified right here, under this. What was this set up right here? It came below. Remember, we were saying, let's see if we can establish support under this one. Is right here. Literally what it's doing right now. And this could be a good entry. I'm not gonna take it, but you could take it. If this closes bullish in 5 minutes, you take that, put your stops underneath this wick now, because it came and grabbed all the liquidity, and then, you know, target up here. That could be a potential. But I would wait for this candle to close. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. this, I mean, good thing we didn't enter. I mean, if it closes above, you know, it's an entry, but it has not. Fuck you, gold. And this is what it's been doing. So the breakout strategy works almost all the time when we're in a trending market. But here's the problem, guys. We've been ranging since the 23rd of April. Because this same setup, it did it to us over here. Where was it? I think it was right here. Yesterday, yeah. Yesterday the 26th, yeah. Where it was like trying to break out to the top, and then it came back down, spiked down here, pulled up. Same type of setups. Happens over and over, and this right here, it's happening because it's ranging, man. Fucking ranging. But I'm telling you, like, when we come out of this whole area right here, it's going to have a massive push, whether that's up or down. It's gonna have a massive push. I usually, like, even in this little movement, there's opportunities, you know, like you can still gain 15, 20, 30, 40 pips, like, you know, like for example, this move right here from the bottom right here to the top, 80 pips, 82 pips. So there's opportunity, but this breakout, we never know when it's going to be a complete breakout or it's still going to be ranging. Right here, we got stopped out. We learned that it's still ranging. But here's the thing. When it does that, it comes and does this liquidity grab. Look at this massive ass wick. This is the area we had identified of liquidity grab. Came down. We had even the fib. Even look at the fib. See where this candle is closing now. We have a minute and a half. I mean, if this thing closes bullish, we have a potential entry. I mean, I would like to see more volume in that, so maybe wait for the next candle. But actually, this just came down to grab all the liquidity before it comes up and makes, you know, move. This would be my first level right here that I'm targeting. Level of resistance right here, level of resistance right here. GJ. See, this is why we're patient. We didn't enter here because it didn't break. We waited on this one. It was looking like it was gonna break it. It didn't break. It pushed all the way back down. Now we got 50 seconds. 50 seconds and it's pushing down. Gold's pushing up. What a fucking bitch, gold. Be like that sometimes. It's all good. We had a phenomenal day yesterday. Today we had one loss on gold. Got a second chance coming up here to potentially buy this thing. And GJ is just playing around. Got about 15 seconds left here on the candle and on the stream. If you want to take this gold trade, I would wait for the next candle because this candle is not enough volume. It's a huge wick, very little body. I would wait for this. what you would want to see is to have another bullish candle with some like a bigger volume before I would commit to buying it again. Okay, and you know, this coming down right now doesn't invalidate it because you want to see the wick. So I would wait for this candle closure, see how it closes. I would read that. But other than that, man, I'm gonna call it a day for myself. I took one L today. Market is looking fucking nasty, and you know, I'm just not, you know, my streams end at 3:30, so I'm gonna call it a day here, take a nap, and come back from New York, see if I find anything. As always, guys, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you guys joining me. I appreciate you guys keeping me company. Much love, man. Like, I want to be here to provide as much value and much education. So if you guys gain anything out of this, please consider hitting the like button so I can get some more exposure and reach other traders that also need the help. Other than that, guys, I'll be back tomorrow. If you're not in my Telegram, the link is in the description. Join the Telegram because I'm sending out trade ideas there, analysis, breakdowns, information, everything you're going to need to know on there. I also have my link to my Instagram on there if you want to reach out to me, send me a message if you have any questions, anything like that. I'm responding to everybody. Any comments you leave on the video, if you're watching this video after the fact, after this live stream, you have any questions or whatever, make sure you comment them on the video, and I respond to all the questions and all the comments. But other than that, guys, I'm out of here. Appreciate you guys. Much love, much love, much love. And I'll see you guys mañana, tomorrow, 12:30 a.m. Central Time. Peace.